All right. What's up, fourth graders? I want to talk a little bit more about rounding. So I want you to get a plain sheet of paper. It can have lines on it or not, it doesn't matter. And at the very top, I want you to write the word rounding. So if we were in person in class, we would have made an anchor chart. At the beginning of talking about rounding, we would say our little phrase over and over and over. So I want you guys to do that today, all right? So our phrase is 5 or above. What are we gonna do? Give it a shove. We're going to shove that number up. 4 or below. Keep it down low, okay? So if it's 5 or above, it goes up. Give it a shove. If it's 4 or below, you keep that previous number the same. You keep it down low. That's just an easy way to remember it. Now you still need to know which number you're rounding and which one you're looking at to determine that, okay? So now I want you, we're gonna put a number here, okay? We're gonna put a number. So let's say that number is 3,175, okay? And you are being asked to round to the nearest 100. Okay? The nearest 100, so you find out what the hundreds are. So you're rounding to the nearest 100. So the 100 is the number that's going to change, okay? Or stay the same. So if you round to the nearest 100, you are looking to the right in the tens place to determine whether it's going to give it a shove or it's going to keep it down low, okay? So that 7 is 5 or above, so it's going to give it a shove. So 3,175, if you round to the nearest hundreds, is approximately 3,200. Now, we learned on a number line that was going horizontally. Let me show you a number line that's going vertical. Maybe a little bit easier to work, okay? So if you're rounding to the nearest 100, okay, then the lowest possible number to round to would be 3,100. Well, what's 100 more? 3,200, right? So then, what would be halfway between 3,100 and 3,200? What's halfway between 100 and 200? 150, right? So halfway between, let's say halfway. Half would be 3,150. Okay, we're looking for 3,175. Where would that be? About right here, right? 3,175. So that would round to 3,200. 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, keep it down low. I hope this helps.